Phase 3. The drone assembly has been completed. However, the wiring will need to be addressed, seeing as how I will have to find a way to take all of this and place it onto this for a more compact setup. For now, the drone can be controlled using the app developed in the previous phases. I added an extra interface to facilitate this, so we can take it up, increase the power, going above 30% causes the drone to stop to avoid any accidents, seeing as how I am indoors at the moment. Currently, stable flight is yet to be achieved, seeing as how one of the propellers is still not working properly. It might be a coding or a wiring issue that I have to fix.